This is my new sequencer. It's a sequencer that sequences cans and the camera. It's used for visuals with the Game Boy music. This part of the sequencer sequences the bike light. When I push a black button, it erases something in the sequence. And when I push the red button, it records something. And this knob I'm turning now, it's setting the amount of light coming out. The switch I just turned is setting the speed of the sequence. So if it's the bottom, it's the fastest, and if it's the top, it goes the slowest. It's just lasting longer. When the red light goes on, it means that a sequence starts or ends. The switch to the left is for selecting a different sequence. So you can record two different sequences and then switch between them while the machine is playing. This part of the sequencer, the right side, it sequences the cans to the left. It makes them turn in sequence, and you can also set the speed of that they rotate, and you can set the direction that they rotate in. You can also set the speed of the sequence itself, so the speed that it switches between the potentiometers and the switches. Just by turning the knob to the bottom, the bigger one. Now it's going the fastest. If it's the other way around, it goes the slowest. Now this part of the sequencer, that you can see the light moving, it sequences the camera. So it starts rotating now. The camera is connected to a servo motor, and it can't go all the way around. So when it hits the end of the maximum, when it hits the maximum amount that it can rotate in, and the sequence still wants to go in that direction, it will switch directions. So if it hits the end, left is right and right is left. And this knob that I'm turning now is setting the speed of the rotation of the camera. In the middle means no movement. This switch I just turned is just for setting the height of the camera. You can see two roller bars, and they keep the objects in place. This is the one that is the largest object that can be put on there. In width and diameter it can be bigger. There are also two spots in the middle there that hold smaller objects or cans. I can put two of them at once on the machine. Now in the next movie I'm gonna show these cans. I first show a can and then show how they look on the machine.